Hello and welcome back for another Agix price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Agix is holding above a key area of support at around the $0.227 mark, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown move to the lower side in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave, and soon Agix might give us a reaction to the upper side in the start of an impulse in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3. And before I get deeper into the analysis, allow me to first share with you the fundamental analysis that is the fundamental news that I'm expecting today, which is the CPI. Today we have the CPI data, and as a result of this, I'm expecting a lot of volatility in the market. And if the CPI has a positive impact to the market, then we can expect Agix to continue gearing up, continue holding above support, and continue gearing up to the next key area of resistance at around the $0.25885 mark. And the moment we manage to break above that key area of resistance, we can watch out for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up and continue unlocking higher prices. And in case such a move plays out, then that will be obeying what I've been expecting, basing it on the Elliot wave structures, which I have since the 10th of June, when we saw a massive crash, giving us a low at around the $0.17 mark. Then afterwards, we started a very nice recovery where we first peaked in this 1-2 setup. Then we saw this other 1-2 setup where I'm terming this as a wave 1, and a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2. And there are chances that the moment you continue gearing up, then that will be the formation of that wave 3 to the upper side, which is the move that we expect after seeing the formation of this wave 2, and giving you minimum target areas for the third wave by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. I get a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.33513 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upper side to do. And for that to play out, we need to also see a break above resistance. Alternatively, in case the CPI has a negative impact to the market, then there are chances that Agix is going to continue seeing further breakdown. Maybe at some point we lose our key area of support at around the $0.227 mark. And in case such a move plays out, then I'll be expecting Agix to continue heading further down into this red target area. Fully maximize the red target area, give us one more new low in the formation of that wave 2, before soon we can start gearing up impulsively in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3. And if by any chance we manage to break out of this red target area and continue heading further down, then the next key area of support to watch is at around the $0.20901 mark. And that is the next key area of support where we can find support and then bounce back to the upper side once more. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Agix chart. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 48 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.